Enter the URL of the telematics battery monitoring system into your browser. Log in to the monitoring system. Enter the device management interface. The left side shows the customer's name. The number in parentheses represents the total number of devices allocated to each customer. The top section displays the total number of models, total number of devices, and number of offline devices. If the customer's device has location tracking enabled, you can view the location of the device on the map. List Preview allows you to view detailed information about the devices under this customer's name. For newly allocated equipment, fleet management requires manual input of the vehicle model and vehicle identification number. Click on Archives Management on the left. Click on Product Management. Find the corresponding battery serial number. Click on Vehicle Setting. Check Battery Serial Number. Enter vehicle model, vehicle identification number, registration date, and sales status. Click OK to save the information. You can see the corresponding battery list. The vehicle identification number and vehicle model information have been updated. To modify this information, you can click on Vehicle Setting to make changes. Return to Device Management. Click on the battery serial number to view detailed battery information, such as state of charge, state of health, voltage and current, etc. The data is updated every 30 seconds. Battery positioning is shown on the right. In addition, you can also view the alarm information. The History Record section contains more detailed information such as runtime history, data, and fault. You can filter by date range to view information. It also supports one-click export. The data will record more detailed operating information. Fault records detailed fault information. Current and voltage and temperature and SOC. This section presents a more intuitive line graph showing the corresponding relationships. If the customer has distributors, you can view the number of devices belonging to your distributors in the drop-down list. For distributors with leasing needs, you can click on the Lease Management button on the left. Manage the equipment under your name. Check the status of devices under your name. Perform remote operations such as open lease, renewal, unlock, and lock the equipment. To create sub-accounts for sub-distributor, click on System Management, Customers Management. Click Create. Enter the name of sub-distributor's name and other information. The list now shows information about the newly created distributor. Click on Role Management, Create. Set the role name of sub-distributor and system permissions. Click on User Management. Click on Create and fill in the system account information for sub-distributor. Associate system account with the sub-distributor's name and role created. Username is login name. Password is login password. The sub-distributor can then use the created account. Log in to the telematics battery monitoring system. The newly created sub-distributor has no equipment under their name. Distributors need to assign the devices to sub-accounts. Distributor login system. Click on Archives Management, Product Management. Select the devices to be assigned. Click Distribution. Select the sub-distributor. Then the sub-distributors can see the equipment information that has been allocated to them on the system.